Today, I'm going to tell you about my latest undervalued high-yield dividend stock with a dividend yield of 8% and a potential that the shares are 40% undervalued. This might just be the best way for long-term dividend investors to invest in. Before we get started, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you get value out of our content. LT Group is one of the Philippines' largest conglomerates founded by billionaire Lucio Sitan. Headquartered in Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, the publicly listed holding company operates across these core sectors, namely beverages, property development, banking, and tobacco. LTG is the massive macroeconomic ecosystem of Taipan Lucio Tan, now led by the next generation under Lucio Tan III. LTG is a highly diversified company, meaning it doesn't rely on just one product line. Instead, it operates across various powerhouse sectors. Banking acts as the largest financial engine of the group with 46% contribution. LTG has a market capitalization of 158 billion pesos and employing 15,000 people, and it maintains its relentless growth momentum. Management is not just sitting back and collecting cash. They are actively executing three major plans and programs designed to make the group cleaner, more efficient, and highly profitable. First, historically, PNB was perceived as a traditional, slow-moving giant. Under current management, PNB is pivoting aggressively to modernize its digital infrastructure and clear out legacy, non-performing assets, and bad debts. By expanding high-margin consumer loan volumes and driving operational costs down through automation, PNB is maximizing its efficiency ratios to protect its status as LTG's top profit center. Second, inflation and fuel crisis squeeze logistical networks. To protect operating margins at Tanduay Distillers and Asia Brewery, LTG has introduced strict supply chain automation and structural shift toward clean energy. By forging strategic renewable energy partnerships, such as with FirstGen, LTG is powering its manufacturing facilities with cheaper, predictable, and sustainable green power, insulating its product margins from volatile global oil spikes. Third, for the tobacco segment, the main operational program is targeted enforcement. LTG is working directly with regulatory bodies to clamp down on illicit smuggled cigarette distribution channels, which successfully clawed back market share and lifted overall sales volumes. Concurrently, Eaton Properties is executing an asset clearing program, fully paying off pandemic-era debts and preparing its real estate arm for maximum monetization once market conditions stabilize. Now let's talk about the hard data. Numbers don't lie, and LTG's financial track record over the last 5 years tells us an incredible story of resilience. Let's look at the consolidated numbers from 2021 through 2025. What do these actually mean? Look at the trajectory. Even through the post-pandemic recovery era, inflation spikes and economic shifts, LTG revenue grew by a staggering 45% over 5 years. More importantly, their net income conversion is high. In 2025, while revenue growth slowed down slightly to a modest 2.96%, net profit expanded by an impressive 7.1%. This tells us that LTG possesses immense pricing power. When input costs go up, they can pass those expenses on to consumers without destroying demand. Tobacco and alcohol are highly inelastic sin products. Even when prices tick upward, consumer habits stay remarkably sticky. Let's trace the historical dividend yield performance from 2022 to 2026. In 2022, yield fluctuated between 8%, to 10% as the company formalized structured payouts. In 2023, payouts surged widely, highlighted by massive special cash dividends and trailing yields well past 11% to 12% for early investors. In 2025, the company maintained an exceptional yield profile, consistently bouncing between 12.4% and 12.5% on back-to-back distributions. In 2025, it maintained solid regular payouts of roughly zero point 0.3 pesos and 0.35 pesos per share quarterly, holding a yield around 8.3% to 10.2% depending on your entry price. In 2026, which is at current trailing, settling into a very attractive market beating 7.47% to 10.67%. Here is a crucial insider insight you need to know. LTG moved to a quarterly dividend distribution framework. However, you must realize that LTG does not maintain a strictly fixed, guaranteed dividend policy formula. Instead, their distributions are tethered to a mechanical corporate rule. They release excess cash to shareholders when accumulated retained earnings surpass 100% of their paid-in capital stock. Because PNB and PMFTC act as structural cash cows, they flush billions up to the parent company, allowing LTG to maintain a high earnings payout ratio. The dividends are robustly backed by actual earnings, easily crushing local bank time deposits or government bonds. But I must remind you that no investment is entirely risk-free. If you want to protect your capital, you must monitor these three upcoming headwinds for LTG. First, LTG's leadership presently confirmed they are reviewing their long-term capital expenditure plans. Continued supply chain disruptions and geopolitical oil shocks directly escalate manufacturing, glass packaging, and shipping costs for Tanduay and Asia Brewery, which could compress margins if consumer spending softens. Second, LTG had a massive plan to unlock 56 billion pesos in equity value by listing its real estate vehicle PNB Holdings Corporation on the stock exchange. Due to heavy market volatility, this listing has been deferred. Delays in restructuring mean that capital remains locked up instead of being reallocated to higher growth projects. Third, while PMFTC completely dominates traditional cigarettes, younger demographic patterns in major Philippine cities are rapidly shifting toward vape and alternative nicotine products. If illegal smuggling channels adopt or alternative products erode cigarette volumes faster than expected, LTG's secondary profit engine could face structural degradation over the next decade. So what is my ultimate take on LT Group Incorporated? If you are an investor looking for explosive 500% capital growth in a few months, LTG is not your stock. It is a slow, steady conglomerate operating in heavily taxed, mature industries. However, if your goal is long-term wealth building, passive income generation, and beating inflation, LTG is fundamentally elite. The stock currently trades at a cheap valuation multiple with price-to-earnings ratio of just 3.7x to 5.1x, meaning it is trading at a significant discount relative to its actual book value and sector peers. With its core business generating record earnings year after year and giving back to a near double-digit dividend yield to its shareholders, it remains one of the safest dividend anchors you can add to a Philippine stock portfolio. My personal advice, look at your current asset allocation. If you need a reliable cash-producing asset, accumulate LTG shares on market dips, lock in that amazing dividend yield, and let the compounding machine do the heavy lifting for you. What do you think? Are you buying, holding, or selling LTG stock today? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this financial breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the Philippine Stock Exchange. Until next time, invest intelligently, manage your risks, and I will see you in our next videos. Happy investing, Philippines!